we've decided to rearrange the 15,000 gallon sump filter a little bit. For the media in the sump, all it had was 5 rolls of 50% shade cloth, just like that. Each roll is 300 feet long by 10 feet wide, so it's 3,000 square feet each roll, and we had 5 of them in there, and that was too much. So yesterday I pulled out 3 of them. I used to think the more the better, but oxygen and free flow and no dead spots is also very important. So we don't need that many. I left 2 rolls in there, so I left 6,000 square feet of shade cloth in the sump. And also today I'm preparing to clean the 15,000 gallon sump, vacuum it. So everything is ready. I hooked up a long pipe to my pump. So this is the 15,000 gallon sump. It's gonna come out. It's gonna get dumped on the lawn over there. All the crud. This is the big sump and the water reserve. So you just saw that pipe going out. Here it comes in. There is a pump on the other end of it, and a makeshift vacuum on the other end. So we're gonna wallow in this filth for several hours, kicking up all the sediment and poop and get it out. I usually do it once a year. I'll probably have to do it more often given how many losses we suffer. This is the maximum murkiness from all the cleaning of the sump. Almost don't see anybody. It's gonna start clearing little by little. This is 24 hours later. It's starting to clear little by little.